exactly where they might take you.
And also the creative director of the show. Good to see you, Katerina.
Nice to see you too, Dan.
Well, you created this concept of Divas on Ice some 4 years ago, but each year I know you like to put a little bit of a difference. The other skaters today are also musicians that span the generations. We'll see Grammy winners Gloria Gaynor and Cassandra Wilson, as well as a young group of women that are definitely considered a new generation of music. With a great look and sound, these girls combine Latin, R&B, and hip-hop, and have added their own flair to the music scene. Rosalind Sumners, who will also be skating tonight, as well as doing a little bit of reporting for us, is with this hot young group.
Thanks, Dan, and you are so right. Hot. I mean, seeing you guys in dress rehearsal, we cannot wait to skate with you. But I have to ask you, there's so much history to Miami Sound Machine. What does it feel like to be the new Miami Sound Machine?
Well, we're really excited. It's wonderful to be a part of the new Miami Sound Machine. Like you said, Emilio Stefan has put together all his flavor into this new group, which is 3 different girls from different places. And it's got that fusion that he's really great with, all the music, the culture, the sound.
But, okay, culture. We're talking Miami, bathing suits, you know, beaches. Do you guys know anything about ice skating?
Got it. All we know about ice skating is that we're here with the Divas. And what can I say? We used to watch you on TV from little till now, jumping from one couch to the other, trying to do the turns that you Divas do. And it's impossible. So it was definitely an honor to be here and to see you guys dance along to our song.
Well, we can't wait to be out there with you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Roz. We are certainly in for an incredible show, and I think it's about time that we got this show started. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miami Sound Machine and the cast of Divas.
People say I'm twisted, a little bit addicted. They must say that I don't know the things I do. They can call me crazy, I still need you, baby. I won't be the fool as long as I can have you. I don't care if ever actors don't come true. I'm happy living my reality with you. I'm the only one you, no one who really needs to know you. So what if, baby, don't you worry, I'll let you lead, I'll follow. Haters, fake it, baby, look at us, you know they can't take it. So what, I'll make it love to you. So now I'm in my new skin, and I won't let them get in. I know I'm always safer when I'm wrapped in your arms. I've anticipated that I've created, and I'll decide exactly when to give my heart. So what you gonna do? They say they know what you should be. What's it gonna take to hold you? Oh, you got to know what's real. I'm the only one you, no one who really needs to know you. So what if, baby, don't you worry, I'll let you lead, I will let you lead. Haters, fake it, baby, look at us, you know they can't take it. So what, I'll make it love to you. I'm the one who's loving you, 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 you. Know you, so what if I'm the only one you, no one who really needs to know you. So what if I'm the only one, who needs to know you. To be mine. So what you gonna do? Tell me know what you should feel. You gotta know